Hello, friends. We present to you the 10 best motivation books. So, at number 10, we have The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. The book is about building good habits, maintaining those habits, and in turn, it helps to make you a better person. The best quote from this book is sow a thought, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny. At number 9, we have by Dale Carnegie a classic book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. So now this book can be used for building personal relationships as well as business relationships. In today's world of networking and collaboration, you have to have good personal relationships along with your business relationships. Just keeping business relationships very transactional don't help. So you have to have interpersonal relationships. This book gives you a lot of insights about this aspect. A quote from this book is: the unvarnished truth is that almost all the people you meet feel themselves superior to you in some way, and a sure way to their hearts is to let them realize in some subtle way that you recognize their importance and recognize it sincerely. Book number 8 on our list is a book called Think and Grow Rich. It has been written by Napoleon Hill, who interviewed 40 millionaires and discovered the common thinking patterns, the mental models that these people used to build up their wealth. And it is about not just luck or unscrupulous illegal means of earning money. It is about how one can actually build wealth in an honest, hardworking manner. Now I read a quote from this book. All the breaks you need in life wait within your imagination. Imagination is the workshop of your mind, capable of turning mind energy into accomplishments and wealth. Seventh on our list of books is a book called Awaken the Giant Within. It is written by Anthony Robbins, and this book emphasizes on how the mind can be trained to awaken the giant that lies within all of us that can do anything that we want. A quote from this book is: if you can't, you must. If you must, then you can. The list continues. Number 6. The book is called As a Man Thinketh. This book is a classic written very early in the 20th century. That is, it's about 120 years old, and it's by an author called James Allen. The book is about how your thoughts can mold your personality, and that personality can be so molded that it drives you to take action, the right action. So it asks for an action that everybody should take to achieve something. Best quote from this book is: the dreamers are the saviors of the world. As the visible world is sustained by the invisible, so men, through all their trials and sins and sordid vocations, are nourished by the beautiful vision of their solitary dreamers. The fifth book, that is number 5 on our list, is The Greatest Salesman in the World. This book has been written by Og Mandino, and the book talks about a self belief that you should have to achieve something, to show your ability, and in helping others and in helping yourself. And this is a very good book for people in the profession of sales. Salespeople must read this book. A quote from this book: I will live this day as if it was my last. This day is all I have, and these hours are now my eternity. I greet this sunrise with cries of joy as a prisoner who is reprieved from death. I lift mine arms with thanks for this priceless gift of a new day. Number 4 on our list is a book by Richard Carlson. The book is called Don't Sweat the small stuff. Now, as the title suggests, you should know where to spend your time, what is really important, then pay attention to that, and everything else can be treated as a noise in the system, and you have to cut out the noise. So that is why the book's title is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. Don't work on the small things. Look at the big things. Prioritize things and do them. And here we quote from this book: stress is nothing more than a socially acceptable form of mental illness. Now we come to number 3, and it's a book by an author called Daniel Pink. The book is called Drive, and this book is about how autonomy, purpose, and mastery are needed to get out the best from any professional, anybody. If you give autonomy to a person, if you allow that person to grow in their trade and develop a mastery, and to top it all, if that person also has a sense of purpose, then the result is magic. The result is always success. Best quote from this book is: for artists, scientists, inventors, school children, and the rest of us, intrinsic motivation, the drive to do something because it is interesting, challenging, and absorbing, is essential for high levels of creativity. Now we have come to number 2 on our book list. The book is called The Power of Positive Thinking. This book by Norman Vincent Peale is considered to be a classic for motivation and positive thinking. The basic concepts of this book have now been examined by science and proven. The crux of the book is that optimism leads to happier, healthier life, and a happy and a healthy person is more likely to succeed than anybody else. The best quote from this book is: action is a great restorer and builder of confidence. Inaction is not only the result but the cause of fear. Perhaps the action you take will be successful, perhaps different action or adjustments will have to follow, but any action is better than no action at all. Finally, book number 1 on our list of the 10 most motivational books. And the book is called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Paulo has written this as a novel, and this book made Paulo a cult figure. This book is about a shepherd boy called Santiago who travels from his homeland, Spain, to an Egyptian desert in search of a treasure. And he meets man, woman, kings, and an alchemist. And it is this journey, this hunt for this treasure, that leads this boy Santiago to the discoveries of treasures that are found within. And ultimately, what results, or what this book conveys, is that our dreams have a transforming power. And it is very, very important to listen to our hearts, work on our dreams, and realize them. Everything lies within, and that is the alchemy of life. There is a quote from this book that is worth mentioning: there is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: fear of failure. Don't forget to like and share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, which is called Convert Failure to Success. Thank you.